Hello, here Akhil Srivastav teaching you Maths of Class 10th, Chapter 9 NCERT, some application of trigonometry, which is known as height and distances. Previous lectures I have explained about all the exercise examples given in the NCERT. Now today I will explain you the exercise 9.1. Question number 1 is given. Question number 1 is given here. A circus artist climbing 20-meter long rope which is tightly stretched and tied from the top of a vertical pole to a ground. Find the height of the pole if the angle made by the rope with the ground level is 30 degrees. Very simple question. It is tight here. You want to with a pole from here and tied on the ground. A circus climber is climbing on it and it is given tightly stretched and tied at the top of the vertical to pole up to the ground. Find the height of the pole if it is 20-meter long. A 20-meter long rope. It is given 20 meter. It is a rope and it makes 30 degree. AB, BC is the pole, AC is this and it makes 90 degree here. And now you apply, you want to find out with the ground, find the height of the pole if the angle is 30 degree. You want to find out the height. Simply you find, so here you want to find this. What is given in right triangle? Perpendicular and the hypotenuse is given. You apply the sine. What trigonometric ratios you apply? It depends on given values and the angle. Sine 30 is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So that is BC upon AC. So sine 30 1 by 2, BC is H and AC is 20. So therefore 2H is equal to 20, then H will be 20 by 2, 10. So pole's height will be 10 meter. Question number 2. In the question number 2, you know a tree is broken due to the storm and broken part bends. Tree is broken to the storm. Very simple question. It is a tree. It is a tree and it is a, suppose both together a tree, it is broken and find like this. Not separate. It is not separate from this part. It means total height of the tree is the together height of this pen and the duster. So you will see in this question, a tree is break due to the storm and broken part bends so that top of the tree touches. Broken part, it is a tree and it is from here it is broken. From here it is broken and this is touching the ground at this place. It is touching the ground and 30 degree and distance between the foot and the point of the top touches the ground is 8 meter. It is a top. It is a top where it is touches, it is given 8 meter and makes the ground 30 degree. Like this. It is from here and it is down like this. You see that? Tree, total tree is this. A, B, C. AC is the tree and A is another here. A is coming at this place, touching the ground at D. A is coming down at D like this. From this place it is broken. You want to find out, find the point where the top touches the ground. Point touches the ground 8 meter away. You want to find out the height of the tree. Height of the tree you want to find out. Simply, height of the tree means you want to find out AC. It means this part and this part is equal. AB is equal to BD. It is a part of tree. Part of tree. So, calculate BC as well as BD. It means you want to find out this and this both. X and Y. So, height of the tree will be, you decide this. Height of tree will be BC plus AB, which is called x plus y. because it is also y. This part is broken. So in triangle BCD, you apply tan, you get tan 30 because base is given. Tan 30 means CD upon BC, BC upon CD, BC upon CD, perpendicular upon base. BC upon CD means tan 30 1 by root 3 is equal to x upon 8. 1 by root 3 is equal to x upon 8. Therefore, x root 3 is equal to 8. Then what is x? 8 upon root 3. You are getting x. In triangle, same triangle, you apply sine. This is cos, because base is given, y you want cos 30. Cos 30 is equal to base CD upon BD. CD upon BD. Base upon hypotenuse. Cos 30 root 3 by 2 is equal to 8 upon, what is the BD? Not given. BD is y. So y root 3 is equal to 16. Then y is equal to 16 upon root 3. It is y you are getting. You get 16. So height of the tree is equal to 8 root 3 means x plus y. 8 upon root 3 plus 16 upon root 3 will be 24 upon root 3. Rationalize it. 24 root 3 upon root 3 into root 3. You will get 20 by 3 root 3. 3 8s are 24. It is your 8 root 3 meter is your height of the tree. 2 3 8s are 24. 8 under root 3 is the height of the tree. Simply you are getting 8 under root 3. Total height of the tree you are getting 8 under root 3 meter. Third question you will see. Third question. Question number 3. What is the question number 3? In the question number 3, a contractor planned to install a 2 slides. Slides. You know, in the park there is a slides for students, small student sliding. There is a staircase and go, and then like this the slide is there. So 2 slides you want to make. One is for children below 5 years, another is below 5 years. It is given. Third question, below 2 slides. So 2 different figures you will draw, or some can draw the figure same. So 2 different figures. Question number 3. Below 5 years, one slide want to draw, whose given the children below 5 years prefer to have a slide whose top is 1.5 meter high. Whose top is 1.5 meter high. Another and is inclined as 30 degree. It is inclined means the slide. Here is staircase and is inclined as 30 degree above. It is given 30 degree inclination. So sliding means student slide till here. Go up and slide it. Another is given, she wants to have a 60 slide, height 3 meter, inclined 60 degree. Another is given height 3 meter and here the slide is 60 degree. 60 degree, it is 3 meter. There is a 2, it is for children above 5 years and it is below 5 years. You want to find out what should be the length of the slide in each case. What should be the, and inclined at, what should be the length of slide. Length of slide means, what you want to find out? Length of slide. Length of slide means this you want to find out. Here this and here this. 2 triangles A, B, C. Here P, Q, R. In this triangle, tan 30 is equal to, no tan 30 because you want to find out this. So what will you find out? P and H relation, sin 30. Sin 30 degree is equal to P upon H. Pandit Badri Prasad RR Kohli relations. AB upon AC. So 1 by 2 is equal to, what is AB? 1.5 by X. So X is equal to 1.5 into 3, 3.0. So the length of this slide will be 3 meter. Length of this slide will be 3 meter. Here you will apply the sin 60 degree is equal to PQ upon PR. Sin 60 root 3 by 2 is equal to PQ 3 upon Y. So Y root 3 is equal to 3 to the 6. So Y is equal to 6 by root 3. Rationalize it. You will get 6 root 3 by 3. 3 to the 6. 2 root 3 meter. So second slide 2 root 3 meter. First slide 3 meter. So this, like this, you have finished your 3 questions of the exercise 9.1. Very simple slide question. Some teachers, some students also draw the figure together. One this side, one this side. Some of you like this. Some teachers want to draw like this. So this case, one slide is this. Here, one slide and 1.5 meter. It is a 3 meter and it is 1.5 meter. Here 30 degree, here 60 degree. Here is the B, C, A, D. So it will be the X and it will be the Y. Answer will be same. This figure or this separate figure, any one you can choose. Thanks for today.